think that life insurance is only used when we die, so that we could leave something for our family, maybe transfer that generational wealth to them when we're already gone. What if I tell you that one of the smartest ways of using life insurance is when you're still alive? Life insurance can help you build wealth, it can help you save on taxes, and life insurance can actually help you to fund your biggest dreams. One of the things that makes life insurance different from every other financial tool out there is the fact that, number one, you can grow tax-free money that you can use right now. For example, you can argue that, okay, I could grow tax-free money in Roth IRA. Number one, not everybody qualifies to invest in Roth. If you earn a certain amount of income, you do not qualify to invest in Roth. Number two, your money in Roth, you don't have access to until you're 59 and a half. Whereas in your life insurance, you have access to the money as soon as it builds up there. Number three, maybe you assume, hey, what if I want to invest my money elsewhere where it can grow as much? Perfect. Your money can pretty much grow, let's say, in the stock market, but you agree with me also, you can also lose it in the stock market, right? So when it comes to really building wealth and growing money, life insurance is by far one of the most important aspects of building wealth. While the primary purpose of life insurance is obviously to accrue death, to leave death benefit to your family so that they don't unnecessarily suffer when you die. Life insurance has way moved on from just being a death benefit policy, okay? Personally, I struggled from actually getting a life insurance earlier on in life because I thought it only pays when people die. While I would like to leave money for people when I die, I also want to have money that I could use right now when I'm still here. So life insurance, the primary purpose, like every single life insurance has this property of leaving money behind when we pass. In addition to that though, there are so many other purposes people get life insurance. Let's say for living benefits in case you fall sick. Let's say for cash value in case you want to invest in major projects or just to live your dream life. So again, to reiterate, the primary purpose of life insurance, the very basic purpose is to leave something for your loved ones. There's a special type of life insurance called cash value life insurance. Now, obviously, if you're sitting with someone who sells only term, they're going to try to convince you that cash value life insurance is trash, obviously, because they don't sell it. However, when you sit with someone like me who's a broker, who has every single type of life insurance you can think of, every type of life insurance has its place. The special type of life insurance called cash value life insurance allows you to grow money tax-free. So when you put money in your premium to pay the cost of your insurance, a portion of it, a smaller portion of the money you pay your cost of insurance. The rest goes into a cash value bucket that grows with compound interest and it mirrors the market. So when market is up, you participate what the market is doing. When the market is down, you don't lose a dime. So that's how your money grows. So your money grows really with uninterrupted compound interest. So that whenever you need money, you have access to that portion of your cash value that has grown, including the interest that you've yielded in it. And guess what? All of it tax-free. Most of the other places we save money, you pay taxes on the growth at least, but in your life insurance policies, your money completely grows for you tax-free. You may be wondering how life insurance helps your family after you're gone. This is a simple explanation. When you take a life insurance, let's say I'm giving you $1 million in life insurance, and some of them are really very affordable depending on the age you are when you got it. Let's say you have $1 million of life insurance. When you're gone, your life insurance actually pays to the people you already pre-named as your beneficiary. So maybe you have your mom, your brother, your sister, maybe you have your wife, your 3 kids, or just your wife, whoever you name as your beneficiary. The insurance company actually writes a check of that $1 million and give it to that person you name as beneficiary. Guess what? They pay 0 taxes in it. Even though we're talking about death benefit, it's very important to understand that death benefit, you pay 0 taxes. Your family pays 0 taxes in it. Therefore, making it the most important way of transferring real wealth to your family. Because the wealth that you transfer to them, nobody is paying any single taxes on it. It doesn't even read in IRS as income because It's set up like that. The IRS code that sets it up is called 7702. That's the code that prevents your money that you inherited from a life insurance being taxed. One of the most important uses I've seen in life insurance is actually that retirement portion of it. My entire retirement is built around life insurance. I pay my premium right now. A portion of it goes to the cash value. It grows tax-free for me. So when I'm ready to retire, my life insurance gives me what we call lifetime income. It comes automatically as a rider included in my policy. Some companies may not have it, but most of the companies we carry, they come with lifetime income rider. So the moment I turn 65, I stop paying premium. From the age of 66, my life insurance pays me annually or monthly as I choose for the rest of my life. And guess what? Every single of that income comes to me tax-free. So that way I never worry about running out of money when I retire. And I also never worry about paying most of my retirement money in taxes. That's one major way your life insurance supports you when you retire. Making sure that you never run out of money, and the money that comes in, you do not waste a portion of it in taxes. Having said this, if you do want to understand life insurance for yourself, or you want to learn more, reach out. You can always comment below, and it doesn't matter whether you already have a plan in place. That's totally fine. So let's say you already have a plan in place. We could help you review it for free. You don't pay for the services. We review it with you. Then depending on what is it that you have, normally if it's good, we typically will leave it alone. But I'm sure if that plan needs to be improved on, I'm sure you would rather know now than later, correct? So if you've learned something from this video, comment your experience with life insurance. You could actually share your experience with life insurance here, so other of our community members would learn from that.